TechnoGIMP Module 5. Make me a poster. Overview. Situation. Your teacher announced that your class will participate in a poster making contest with the theme Save the Earth. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and colors to come up with your desired background. Have fun! Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create a poster. Number 2. Use the brush and fill tools. Number 3. Use the text tool. Number 4. Use the line tool. Number 5. Use the Pipette Tool. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app. Learn. Key terms. Poster. Any piece of printed paper designed to be attached to a wall in a public space. Digital image. An image composed of picture elements called pixels. Alpha. Alpha represents the transparency or opacity of a color or shape. To change the alpha color, go to the color chooser and adjust the alpha value. Line tool. The line tool is used to draw a line. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Line. Pipette Tool. The Pipette Tool is used to copy any color from the canvas. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Pipette. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app, then tap New. Number 2. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. To change the color of the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Fill. Number 3. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your canvas, then tap Done. In this example, the color white was selected. Tap the canvas to apply the selected color. Number 4. To create a rectangle, go to the Tools menu and select Square Rectangle. Number 5. Tap the canvas to insert the shape. To change the color of the shape, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then, tap Done. In this example, the color light blue was used. To resize the square to a rectangle, drag its sizing handles. Tap the shape when done. Number 6. To create a circle, go to the Tools menu and select Circle Ellipse. Number 7. Tap the canvas to insert the shape. To change the color of the shape, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your shape and adjust the alpha value to change its opacity. Then, tap Done. In this example, the color dark blue was used. Tap the shape when done. Number 8. Use the brush tool to add details to the shapes. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Brush. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your brush. Then tap Done. In this example, the color green was selected. Tap and drag on the canvas to add details. Number 9. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Number 10. Type the text that you want to put in the canvas. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then tap Done. To change its color, tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text, then tap Done. Tap the text when done. Repeat this step to add more text. Number 11. Use the Pipette Tool to copy any color from the canvas. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Pipette. Then, tap the color you want to copy from the canvas. Notice how the color in the color chooser changes as you tap a color. For this example, copy the color green from the details of the earth drawing. Number 12. Use the Line tool to add more details to your poster. To add a line, go to the Tools menu and select Line. Next, go to the Tool settings and select your preferred stroke width and shape. Then tap Done. To insert a line, tap and drag on the canvas. Number 13. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Image.